So one of the ways that you can go ahead and then support someone else is by using the session. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the remote support option, then go around over here onto session, and then what you can do is click on new session. So once you go ahead and do this, you can see the session link right here. You can share this out with the other person, or what you can also do is you can go ahead and send them out as an email invite. So if I were to go ahead and let's say, for example, type in their email address right here and send them out an invite, you can go ahead and invite or and start right now, or invite for later as well. That's totally fine right here. So now you can see that this is what you have. You can go ahead and then share this out as well right here. So you can see the code right here as well. So in this case, what happens is that they don't give you the code, but you give the code to them. And then what happens is that they enter the code in the session, and then you get access to their computer. So they can use the invite link, or they can also go around over here. For example, you can go ahead and join the session right here, just like this, and then you get a code right here. So what you can do is share this code to other, or even share this link with other, and then the other person would have to go ahead and enter this particular ID right here by joining in the session on their end. And if they were to go ahead and do that, if they join the session, then you will be able to go ahead and access their computer. So they would have to verify from their side to allow access, and as soon as they do, what happens is that you see this and you get access to their computer right here. So instead of them giving you the code, you give them the code for them to enter it on their computer, and then you have access to it. So that is how you can go ahead and then send out quick session invites inside of TeamViewer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.